Let's be honest. Your current car vacuum. It's probably weak, it's probably corded, and it probably dies halfway through cleaning your kids' Cheerios from the backseat. But what if I told you that the game of clean cars is about to be completely overturned? The vacuums arriving in 2026 are a different species. We're talking about suction power that can lift a bowling ball, batteries that last longer than your road trips, and one model that literally cleans itself. I've seen the future of clean cars, and today, I'm revealing the top 4 models that will make you never look at that dusty old vacuum in your garage again. Number 1. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro. The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is a cordless handheld vacuum designed for powerful suction and long-lasting motor life. Enjoy incredible power and performance with a motorized self-cleaning pet power brush that eliminates hair wrap on the brush roll, a lithium-ion battery, a no-mess clean touch dirt ejector, washable filter, an XL dust cup, and more, at only £2.8. Dock is additional accessory and is not included in the box. Number 2. Black+Decker Dustbuster. With the Black+Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus cordless handheld vacuum, you can easily clean everyday messes. With cordless convenience, you can use it as a home and car vacuum. The rotating slim nozzle lets you rotate 180 degrees so you can get into those hard-to-reach places. The pull-out crevice tool is designed to help you get into those nooks and crannies, while the flip-up brush is a great choice for dusting and cleaning surfaces like upholstery. A part of the growing Black+Decker family of handheld vacuums. Easy by design. Number 3. Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. Dust bag capacity is up to 2.5 liters. Lightweight and life-table conveniently, the lightweight vacuum cleaner weighs 8.6 pounds, allows you to carry it around the whole house. 1200 watts. Specific uses: carpet, stair, upholstery, car, floor. Whole home cleaning. The lightweight vacuum cleaner weighs 8.6 pounds, allows you to carry it around the entire house. Powerful cleaning. The 12 amps motor provides continuous, powerful suction for deep cleanings. Mess-free dust bag replacement. With the replaceable the dust bag, collect dust and pet hair easily. Clean more than carpet. With 2 extension wands and 2 specialty attachments, this vacuum can easily dust furniture, reach high ceilings, get under car seats and in crevices and corners where traditional upright vacuums can't reach. Number 4. WORX WX030L20V. A powerful 4-size portable vacuum that you don't have to plug in. It's a clean person's dream. You can take it anywhere, making it the perfect car or office vacuum. When is the last time you vacuumed your office chair? And with the crevice nozzle and brush attachments, you can dive in between those couch cushions and clean every last crumb out of your kitchen, too. It provides 10 kilopascal of suction. For reference, that's about half the power of a standard upright vacuum. But the 20V portable vacuum from WORX is about 1/6 the size of one of those uprights, so it's got plenty of power for its size. Besides, it's not meant for regular vacuuming tasks, anyway. You're never going to bring your full size out to the car or into the office. That's what this portable vacuum is for. And like your full size, it's only meant for dry debris. That makes it easy to empty and clean. Its tank capacity is 6 ounces, that's a lot of crumbs. It lasts up to 15 minutes on a single charge, which is a lot when you're only doing spot cleaning and shorter chores. And its washable HEPA filter cleans the air as you vacuum, instead of kicking the debris back outside. The included 20V 2.0 max lithium battery and charger gives you freedom from the cord and can be used on any other WORX 20V tool in the PowerShare family. Number 5. Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum. The Dyson Car+Boat cordless handheld vacuum is engineered with the power, versatility, and runtime to deep clean your home, car or boat. Choose between 3 tools to remove debris and hair from hard surfaces, upholstery and tight spaces, both at home or on the go. As you clean, Dyson's advanced filtration system captures and seals in allergens and fine dust. Cube comes with a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Register your machine on the My Dyson app for personalized machine guides, maintenance and support. So, there you have it. The end of weak suction and tangled cords is finally in sight. Which one of these 2026 powerhouses are you going to upgrade to? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to never struggle with a messy car again, we've done the research for you. All the rumored product links, the latest release dates, and the best future deals will be waiting for you, right down in the video description. If you enjoyed this first look into the future of a clean car, do me a solid, hit that like button, share this with someone whose car needs some help, and subscribe for more sneak peeks at gadgets that make life easier.